Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you a game-changing tool for content creation, the Captions app. If you want to clone your voice, your face, and create endless content without recording every time, this is for you. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or entrepreneur, this app makes professional content fast and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make your first AI clone step by step, and show you how I use it to keep my content flowing effortlessly. Let's dive in.
Open the app and jump right into Create. Create your AI clone and your prompter. So now we're having a look at the clones. Do note that you can add up to 30 clones of yourself at one sitting, which is incredible. So let's have a look. Oftentimes, if you think about your theme, you can decide on the best clone. We'll go with Lisa and select Lisa. So now we need our prompt. We're going to jump out, head over into ChatGPT, copy and paste our well-researched topic on emotional resilience. Now, I'd like the Captions app to regenerate this information so that it reads well and it creates a great automated video. So we go ahead and tap this in. Give it a few moments. You can customize the script. You can create your own script. You can edit the script that's in place. And if you like a little bit more words, you can actually take a back step and regenerate this script in order to just see if it can maybe repopulate a different language or even a different narrative, depending on what you're looking for. So as we generate our script here, now it's in queue. So here it says about 4 minutes. We'll let some time lapse by. And now we are in queue to create our very first AI clone. Well, this will be a first for you guys. As you see, I've created, fair to say, close to 100. It could be more than that. So we're ready to go now. And now that we have a quick listen, we like to add some edits, some animations, so many different options that's in store here with Captions. So be sure to have a look-see, scroll down, look at the samples that they have available, and you can choose one that's a fit for your vibe, a fit for your platform, your audience, your atmosphere. And we've chosen one here. It's a quick sample, and we're going to let this generate. So now that it's uploading, I often leave this page open so that you have I don't like interruptions because you spend all the time with the prompts and the language and the skits and the scripts. So if you can have a moment, leave this open and let it load. Obviously, that's what it suggests. But this is a very important step, is to just hang tight. Here's where check out our other video where we talk about things that you can do while your content's loading. So a few workouts, anything that you're doing to stretch your body, become more active and flexible and agile. Because as content creators, we can become a little stiff. I think we all know that. And it's times like this where you have to wait for things to load and things are taking its time, that you can find other things to do while you're still executing and making sure that your content is neat and ready to go. So if you're paying close attention to the time, we're just maybe a little over 10 minutes in, and voila, we have our content. So let's take a quick listen.
Superpower that can help you not just survive, but thrive. It's called emotional resilience, and it's your secret weapon against stress and adversity. Imagine bouncing back from challenges like a pro, learning from them, and coming out stronger. That's what resilience is all about. And here's the kicker. Positive psychology has proven it's key to living your best life. It's not about ignoring the bad stuff, but focusing on what makes life awesome. Think positive vibes, meaningful relationships, and personal growth. So next time life gets tough, remember, you've got the power to bounce back and build a life that rocks. Are you ready to unlock your resilient superpower?
Now that sounds good. So we're going to take that and we're definitely going to save it. And the saving process does take some time as well for exporting over into your camera, but you know, anything that takes time is worth it. So take the time. Again, here's where you take time to do anything that's important to you. Run a few errands, look around the house, pick some things up, sweep around, maybe even clean a mirror if you need to. But what's so cool about the Captions app is it's always here right on your hip and available, and any ideas that you have, you can literally choose any clone, excuse the messages, and you have messages coming through as you're uploading as well, but we'll get rid of those as they come in. We are very busy with so many different apps and alerts. Let's get that out of here. But as I mentioned, the main thing is to find different ways to squeeze this portion of your content creating into your life, especially when it's made easy with AI. So now you're going to save this by pressing close. And once you close, it's over into your phone. So one cool thing I want to mention once you have your content, the three dots there, it gives you an opportunity to tap in, and AI and Captions app has created titles and a description as well as hashtags, which is super awesome if you need a hand with actually putting the post out there, because now you have the content, now you have to take action. So you can also take this information and put it into ChatGPT and recreate or regenerate a different post. So key is patience. Have some patience, take your time. You can, let's say you did not like that particular edit, you can go back in using your original captions video and find a new caption. So as we've done here, we have so many different options within the template. So take advantage of those options. I will be sure to leave my comments open and available for anyone who has any questions on how this works. Again, there's so many things you can do with captions, but this is just one piece or one portion of it. And this is just simply generating your very first AI clone. As you guys look at my page, you can see where I created dialogue, where you change backgrounds, where you create different skits, and it's really, really amazing, and it helps for you to be really efficient. And the quality is phenomenal, not to mention the caption options. You have so many different options. You can customize your captions, and or there are a number of options you can choose from. So it's really about playing around and getting comfortable with it. Some may ask, how do you create the original clones? Here's a cool example of my original take for, once you take maybe about a minute to record yourself, you consider that an AI clone. So listen up to see how this sounds.
Because I believe in you. I do know that you are the right person at the right time doing the right thing. And I appreciate you for everything that you've done. And I thank you for being a part of something amazing. So please continue to do that.
As you can see, it's not what you say, but how you say it. Hand gestures, keeping your face out of your hands.
Yes.
Follow us for more key tips on how to create your AI clone.